We'll start first with the plaintiff, and then we'll move to the defense.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Smith, bar number 10231 for the plaintiff, Nathan Vincelette.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joel Odou on behalf of AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc. and the Real Water entities.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kristen Schwingler, bar number 16318 on behalf of AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc. and the Real Water entities.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rob Robbins, 6109 for defendant Milwaukee.
All right, does that cover all appearances? One more? Unmute.
There may be a media request, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, I understand. And I think you're right. Anyway, this is a simple status check. I guess I'm looking here at the notes, and this might be the only case that is not part of the coordinated cases with Mr. Hale as special master. And there was a bankruptcy filing, too, in this matter. Tell me where we're at. Bring me up to date as far as this case is concerned.
Judge, this is Jake Smith. This is actually a part of the coordinated cases. And that's why I was a little confused as to why this was set, but we have participated in all those hearings. I believe we filed the documents to participate as part of the coordinated discovery schedule under Special Master Hale. I'll let counsel speak if they disagree or feel otherwise.
Your Honor, Joel Odou for Real Water. I think I can shed some light on that. The stipulation to lift the bankruptcy stay was filed in the bankruptcy court. I don't see a copy filed in this court. And then the stipulation to coordinate the cases, I see it was filed in the Wren case, but possibly not this case, and that may be why the court doesn't have those documents.
All right, I understand. Okay, so
Other than that, we're moving forward.
all right. So what do we do? What we don't have in this case, we don't have a trial date or anything.
That's correct, Judge.
Yeah. So what do we do? What should we be doing if the discovery's going forward and coordinated pursuant to Mr. Hale's special master, but we don't have a trial date or anything? We don't have any.
Judge.
Yeah, go ahead.
Jake Smith for the plaintiff. I guess what I'll do is I'll get that a copy of that order lifting the stay. We actually participated in that hearing and were joined in that motion. So I'll get a copy of that filed with Your Honor. Perhaps what we can do is get together with all of the parties and submit a proposed joint case conference so that Your Honor can set a scheduling order. With discovery already starting on this, we can probably make it sort of in line with the anticipated discovery dates that are being set by the special master, and go from there. The one additional thing is we just recently discussed amongst ourselves adding Hannah Instruments, who is a defendant that's been added in other cases, and I'm preparing and circulating a stipulation amongst counsel to add that defendant so that we can get them in as well.
And Joel Odou on behalf of Real Water, I agree. Your Honor, we have case management orders coming in all of the cases with recommended dates for discovery cutoff, motions, all of those sort of things for the court to consider. Certainly this case could be added to that list. There's currently 4 draft case management orders that I expect will be approved by Mr. Hale this afternoon. We're seeing him at 2 o'clock, and we could add this case to the agenda. I assume that the case management orders in the other cases would be agreeable for this case, but if not, or if there's adjustments that need to be made, we can certainly do that.
Does anyone else want to comment? All right. Does this make sense? I'm thinking what we need to have is this. We need to have a status check probably the first week of February. That'll give you enough time to kind of sort through and as far as where this case is at from a discovery perspective. I realize there's scheduling orders coming down from Special Master Hale. Just as important, too, we do have to, of course, make the appropriate disclosures and the like pursuant to Rule 16.1. I need to get a Rule 16 scheduling order in place. And I just want to give you enough time to accomplish whatever task might be necessary in that regard. And so I'm thinking about setting the status check regarding Rule 16.1 disclosures and also issuing a Rule 16 scheduling order in this case regarding the trial date and so on. I would anticipate, as far as discovery is concerned, Mr. Hale will be, of course, performing those tasks as the special master in this case. And so I guess in essence, what I want to do is, based upon whatever orders would be applicable from him regarding discovery, issue a Rule 16 scheduling order for trial.
Joel Odou on behalf of Real Water. I think that would be great, Your Honor. Just for the court's information, the parties have done initial disclosures in this case, and we have a statement of damages. We have fact sheets from the plaintiff. So we are accomplishing those things, but what we can do is kind of summarize for the court in the case management order what we have accomplished and if there's anything left, and then the court could go from there. But I think early February would give us enough time to get that all squared away.
Yeah, because Mr. Odou, I know you don't want to do anything next week or the week after. I know I wouldn't.
Unfortunately, we're doing depositions in this case, so
Well,
that's the way it goes sometimes.
That's the life of a working litigator, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. So anyway, how about, I don't know if I gave you the date or not, but how's February 7th, 2023 at 9:00 a.m. status check?
Terrific. Although 2023 sounds weird to my ear, but yes, thank you, Your Honor.
That works
All
great
right.
for us, Judge.
All right. Anyone else want to comment on that date? Okay, that's what we'll go with then, and it'll be regarding the issuing a Rule 16 scheduling order and setting a trial date. All right, everyone, enjoy your day and happy holiday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.